So here we are in Briarwood, and look at all this shit. Let me roll the window down.
Nice, man.
I mean, damn.
Good Lord. Ice and wind.
More fucking tree limbs all over the place. But we ain't even got to the good shit yet.
Oh, no, we did not. There's more there. Good Lord. I want to do a full circle around this neighborhood, see what's up.
Indeed.
I know I heard one hit a house down this way. I want to check out. Good Lord.
Over here, just a massive pile of shit.
Yeah. Tree shit.
There's over here, more shit. Tons of it.
I love my Dodge Ram, though. I'll tell you what, she goes right through right. No problem. I'm gonna post this on YouTube too. Watch this. Somebody gonna comment about, oh, this Dodge Ram, blah, blah. Yeah, buddy, it's not my truck better than yours.
Damn. Damn.
Well, there'll be more dropping. The V's about to drop here real soon.
Doesn't seem as bad on this side of the neighborhood. Whoa.
Oh, these guys were smart. Look at that.
Cut this shit down before this happened.
Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. There we go. There's some.
Ah, there we
There's
go.
some. Good Lord. I bet it's gonna be real bad.
More wreckage. More down that way. And I've seen some weird stuff here, but god damn.
And this is South Carolina, y'all. Summerville, South Carolina.
I've seen some weird crap here, but usually it's warm here. It's not fucking frozen in.
Back to back, frozen, look, dark clouds. Oh, we're about to
The past few hours, it's just been boom, boom, transformers blowing up and branches fucking falling down and crashing into ground, houses, who knows what. Everything's fucking frozen and just collapsing because of the weight. Trees are all bent over and shit.
Good Lord, I'm going
Hello.
this way.
Yeah, there ain't much to the right anyway.
I'm afraid there's gonna be a lot towards the park area, so I think we're gonna drive by the park. Too.
Yeah. Look at all this shit.
Look at this.
It's all one fucking branch.
Look at that.
Good lord.
Good Lord. Dang. Oh yeah, and we're out of power too.
Been out of power. Came back on for a couple hours, if that, and that's it. Hello.
Oh, nice. Well, if these branches weren't wet, we'd be using them as firewood.
No shit, but they're frozen and soaking wet.
Huh?
Look at that.
Looks like college place is good though.
Yeah.
You ain't got that many trees.
Those are all pretty light.
Oh,
Bingo!
yep, saw that. Saw and heard it. Oh, we caught that on tape too. It's been doing that since it's more. Oh wow.
Yeah, this one's a big one.
That's what it is.
I mean, look at that. Good lord. It's just wreckage.
Look at this.
And we're back to our starting point.
Hey, look at that. Look at that tree, dude.
That crap is definitely leaning alright.
Yeah,
Pretty heavy.
There was one that had a branch on its freaking
Just keep
roof.
going.
Right.
It's on the
I
left.
see it. Yeah, right there.
Uh-huh. That's the big one I missed on our first pass.
Get that one. God damn, that's on the roof. Yep, that one's got roof damage. That's probably what I heard.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's a branch sticking into someone's roof here. And there's more cracking over there.
I'm gonna turn on to our street, and then we'll go right by the park, and then we'll go see if we can find some plywood.
Yeah.
Get some seasons in Japan too. Yeah, keep on videotaping, man.
Food and fire sounds fantastic.
Oh, yeah. And work wanted me to come to work. Huh, yeah, right.
No.
This
That's
is
our
our
yard.
Look at that.
Tree practically split in fucking half.
Look at that.
There's this shit. Look at the size of this fucker.
Oh, yeah. See all...
The one up here on the right.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice fat chunk.
Beautiful. Hey, bro. See what I'm seeing? Is that...
On the left?
Yeah, on the roof. Did that fall on the roof, or is it just that close to it?
It's just that close to it.
Yeah, you're right. Yep, alright. God, I was hoping I had a good friend.
I'm about to hit Crash Up and see if he wants to do some roofing.
Yeah, a lot of these people could use it now.
If he's still got some contacts with the old contractors, then shoot. Plenty of work to be done.
Plenty. If he wants to take a weekend, man, I'll take a freaking weekend and do it with him.
I don't know, it'd be a lot more in a weekend. I'm talking like a month's worth of work.
Oh yeah, there's definitely more stuff.
There's a lot of stuff out here, and I'm sure I'm not the only one with this idea. All the freaking roofers around here, everyone's got to be like, yay!
Work, money.
Get that moolah.
Dollar bills.
Okie doke. Now we
Okay.
get towards the fun part.
Oh man, look at this.
Uh-huh. Good Lord.
Why would
Driveway is
somebody leave
covered.
their motorcycle outside?
Is there an idiot?
Apparently.
Kevin's yard's trashed.
Oh yeah.
Look at all this crap.
Damn.
They're gonna be busy for a long time getting that up.
Well, after what
Get
Kevin,
to it, punk.
After what Kevin did to you, man, that's
Woo.
freaking karma right there.
No
That's
shit, right?
karma.
Get to work, buddy. Right in someone's truck.
Ooh, that sucks.
Right in the bed.
Oh, actually, right in the bed, man. That's kind of convenient.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Very convenient.
About a foot and a half closer towards the cab, and he wouldn't have a roof in that truck anymore.
Yeah.
Or at least a big, sizable fucking dent.
Yeah, wait. Oh, that's a little hot.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty warm in here.
I got
Whoa.
a nice V8 in this thing.
There's more crap down there. I don't know if you can see it, just past the mailbox.
Yep. Everybody trying to clean up the roads.
Mm-hmm.
Got this. They won't go down the cul-de-sac of the park.
Yep.
Yeah, we got a lot here.
Good Lord.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I wouldn't want to ride my motorcycle on that.
You know it's bad when we can record video for 10 minutes and still not cover all the wreckage in one neighborhood.
I know.
And it's not like this is Greenhurst. It's not gigantic. It's 2 big circles, and that's it.
There's so much damage. What the hell are they doing to the park? They're being dumbasses.
As usual.
Dang. I can see they might have cleaned up this area, but oh, nice one landed right in the freaking driveway.
Yeah.
Right in front of the garage door. That's also convenient.
Yeah. At least it didn't hit the garage or the roof.
Mm-hmm. I cannot wait to convert this thing to a 4x4. Yeah, folks, this is South Carolina here.
To all you South Carolinians bitching about the snow that recently came by,
We got ice.
ice sucks worse than snow.
Yeah, at least snow is fun.
Snow is soft and cushy. Ice hurts.
Soft and cushy.
Frozen things hurt. Looks like their backyard's tore up.
Jesus Christ. All my years living here, man, I've never seen it this bad.
Wreckage for days.
So, where's this global warming?
Yeah, I know, right?
I'm posting that up on YouTube. Where's this global warming?
I'd love to know.
Freaking Al Gore.
This is getting fucking cold. Last I
look
checked.
at that. It started back up again.
Last I checked, global warming did not mean everything gets cold.
Yeah.
Warming usually means warm, not cold.
Yeah. You know,
This is-
temperaturized.
Everything's frozen.
Look at that. Nice.
Yeah, there's a lot of shit there.
Go to the next Tea Party convention and be like, yeah, I want everybody to ask, where's this global warming? Watch this.
For real. Take a look at the freaking weather. This is our second ice storm in like 2 weeks.
The Tea Party convention will be like, yeah, where is it? We'll bring it up. Oh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, you got a lot of cleaning to do, buddy.
Uh-huh.
A lot of them has got a lot of cleaning.
Oh yeah, we do too.
Yeah, we got something to do. Holy cow.
With my broke ass hand, I'm gonna wait till it warms up first.
Yeah. I have to take Sunday off and help you get all them branches up.
I can probably take care of it with Lefty, but I just don't want to be out there for a while with this hand broken and this cold. Broken hand does not like the cold much.
And it's supposed to get below freezing tonight. Look at this. It's going to be like this all night.
It's gonna freeze again overnight.
More ice. More ice storm. Is this the ice storm PAX? Or whatever how they call it?
I forget.
Some weird ass name.
Yeah.
On the letter P, I guess. Well, folks, yeah. Enjoy the beautiful
So,
weather in
guys,
South Carolina.
This is Briarwood, Summerville, South Carolina. It's supposed to be warm as hell here. Instead, everything's frozen and falling the fuck over. Where the hell's our global warming at?
So, I'm going to end it with this. Enjoy the beautiful weather of South Carolina.
Reporting to you live from Summerville, South Carolina, this is Craig Perry, and fuck global warming.